Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we got one of my favorites. Before we get into that, go check out my website, check out the tools, hopefully other stuff that's on there, maybe, I don't know. AE1 Program, one of my favorites to work on. Always and forever, game changer for Canon, of course, blah, blah, blah. This one should be super simple, super easy, super chill. We definitely went over the frame counter. It's funny. Is there film in there? No. All right, cool. Look at that. Needs light seals. We're not focused on the light seals today. This one should be quick and easy. It's a common issue that happens with the AE1 and the AE1 program. Sometimes the A1, anything with the same release magnet. And that basically is the release magnet. There's probably dirt or something like that that's in there, and it needs to be cleaned or replaced. Usually just cleaned. But I wanted to show a quick tutorial. If this is happening to you, even if you're like in Spain or Ireland or Iceland and you're shooting and you're like, what is going on here, Billy? Well, Bob, you need to go ahead and get that release magnet there clean. Is there it needs to be shooting at a second right there, Billy, but it's not because that release magnet is just Hercules. Shout out to Eddie Murphy, man. Eddie, man, why don't you come on the channel? You know what I'm talking about? All right. Okay. But yeah, you got to remove this bottom plate. This camera came from Biggs Camera. Shout out to Biggs Camera. I appreciate everything y'all do. Y'all support everything that I do, and it is very much appreciated. There's their stuff. Check out their online used gear. They have the craziest used film gear at great prices. They're not sitting here trying to screw over consumers. Doing the right thing. Shout out Biggs. But yeah, see this release magnet? It does not, it goes down, but it's not magnetizing, staying. So what we're going to do is take out these two screws, lift up, pull that cover off, and then put the cover back on. Now, you do have to be pretty careful. Oh. You want to make sure the release magnet is not down or anything. Well, obviously it won't be down because it is flapping back and forth. All right, now once you get these two screws removed, you're going to lift up on the magnet. You're going to hold the two sides. Oh yeah, take the tape off. That is going to help you a whole lot. All right. Spending more time on the tape. All right, now lift up, hold the sides, and remove. Now, yep, there's definitely stuff on the two magnets. You're going to get some denatured alcohol and a Q-tip and just go ahead and rub up in there. And get some good clean, and hopefully you can see just little particles all over the Q-tip. Once again, lift up. Make sure tab is facing up. Ooh. And just slide right there. Make sure it is sitting flush. Put back the screws. Now it should just stick. See? Now hopefully the camera fires. Oh my goodness, and it's the correct shutter speed. Remember, I had it in 1 second and it was just not doing that. But check it. Now the release magnet is correctly working. So if your AE1 program or AE1 is constantly firing every time you advance it, it's probably a dirty release magnet. I should definitely charge y'all for that knowledge. But as easy as I make it look, it's not that easy. You mess up that release magnet or rip that flex, Dunsky. Don't forget to check out my shop, handsomeshop.com. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Y'all know the drill. Till next time, don't break nothing. Peace!
I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no